Hello, Tony's here. In this video, I'll show you a new tool I built, which is a process hider and a remote access to your device, which is called Ghost Commander. Basically, Ghost Commander is Sentinel software or a tool which can establish remote access connections between your device and ghostremotely.com, where you can access your device anywhere in this world without um, the appearance of the services in your task manager, and you can hide any other programs that you wish. So when you open the program, you have to click establish secure connections. It creates a connections between your device and ghostremotely.com, which is called WinHost. WinHost is a process runs under the background processes in your device, which is called WinHost. We can find it in the task manager. If we set for WinHost, we can see the process is running. Right now, my device is connected to ghostremotely.com, where I can access to it remotely. So how do I actually click on dashboard, where you have to enter your password to enter the Ghost Commander. And now I can see the agents, and this is my device. I can click start stream. This is my device right now is running, and I have remote access to my device and services or processes that the Sentinel just installed on my device. So right now they're appearing in the task manager, but I can hide them. How? You click on the process manager. The process manager is search all your processes and applications running in your task manager. So we search for WinHost again here, WinHost, because we want to hide in WinHost. So we search WinHost. We see two services with the same thing, two processes running. I can hide them, click isolate. So it moves it to the next window, which means now WinHost is hidden. If we see now that we have only one, and I'm going to hide the second one as well. So there is no more WinHost appears in my task manager, while I still have the remote access connections on the ghostremotely.com. So I'm going to close this one now. I don't need any more remote access on this one. So how I will bring them back, I simply click on the WinHost and restore. WinHost and restore. I can terminate the WinHost processes as well, but I'll show you that later. So now if I search WinHost, they must be here. Okay, because I haven't end the sessions yet. So okay, let's try another software before I end the sessions. So right now I have AnyDesk and GetScreen is running. They are third-party programs, third-party applications for remote access. So let's try GetScreen Me first. So we're going to generate a link where we can access to my device. So this is GetScreen Me. This is just for educational purpose. I'm not promoting any other remote access programs. Use them on your own risk. So on my second device, I'll put TradingView on. So my TradingView is on my second screen. So if I search for GetScreen, I can see GetScreen is running in the task manager, or it's showing. So let's hide it. So click on the process manager. It opens the task manager for us. I'm going to search GetScreen. GetScreen, I can see GetScreen here. So watch how it hides all the GetScreen. So this is the first one. I'll click isolate and select and isolate. So the GetScreen is no longer appearing in the task manager while the service is still running. So let's test if I still have connections or not. So this is the trial version of GetScreen I'm using. I'm not using the premium one. I suggest I using the premium. If you're using GetScreen or any other third-party remote access, however, you have the remote access built in within the Sentinel software. So now, as you can see, I have access to my second monitor through GetScreen. while I have full functionality of get screen. I can set URISD. For example, I can type, I can do whatever I want, while I don't have any get screen residuals in my task manager. To close this out, you can end sessions, end session, and close. There's two ways of bringing it back to show in your task manager. Either you're going to click restore, but I don't suggest restore too many times because it's going to force your memories. But I will terminate them because I don't need the software to run anymore. Or basically what I will do, I will restart my laptop and close them out one by one. Okay, so let's hide another program. So we have AnyDesk in here. Let's try AnyDesk. I'm not opening AnyDesk here because it shows my address, which I don't trust AnyDesk at all. I'm just using it for as an example purpose. I don't use AnyDesk. It's not really set unless you have the premium and you know how to use it safely. So as you can see, I have AnyDesk is running in the task manager. So let's search for AnyDesk. So I have AnyDesk is running. I have AnyDesk. I can see AnyDesk in the Sentinel software. I can hide AnyDesk while AnyDesk services is connected on my device. So AnyDesk is no longer appearing in my device. So you can click restore. As I said, do not restore too many softwares at the same time because it affects your memory. Basically, it runs your device into a black screen and restart, and then your device will be fine. But I suggest that you're going to terminate because we don't need AnyDesk to run anymore. So we terminate it, and that's it. AnyDesk is no longer running. So this is how the Ghost terminal is, the Ghost commander is, and how powerful the Sentinel is. You can hide any software you want without appearing in the task manager, in the apps or the processes. It also comes with a built-in remote access, which at this stage is not the best, but it is a really good remote access, which is completely ghost and it does not have any residue in the task manager. Once you finish your practice, you can click end sessions, and I'm going to end session here because that's it. This is all I needed to show you in this video. So basically, this is it. You can hide anything you want, any program is running and in your task manager, and it will not appear unless you wanted to bring them back. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. If you're interested in the software, reach out to me on my Telegram. I'll put it in the in the description sections. Reach out to me, and thank you very much.